Are you having trouble with Instagram? Is your network connection not working properly? In this step-by-step tutorial video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram glitch that's giving you network connection issues. So make sure to watch this video until the very end for an easy solution to get your account up and running again in no time. So first of all, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. To the right of Instagram, it will either say, Open or Update. If it says Open, it means that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. If it says Update, then you have to go ahead and update your app. By updating your app to the latest version, it will get rid of bugs and glitches that are currently in the app. So, once you have updated your app, go over to your settings, and then scroll down and tap on Apps. After that, tap on this search bar up top and search for Instagram. So when you are on this screen, tap on Storage, and you want to clear all of the data that is associated with the Instagram app. So go ahead and tap on Clear Data. And after that, go back and tap on Permissions. And you want to give permission for all of these. Once you allow these permissions, open up your Instagram app and log back in. It should fix your issue. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.